Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Adguard. Adguard is a web ad free and safe with shields up. It blocks all kinds of ads, removes annoying web elements, saves traffic, and speeds up page loading. It works for both browsers and apps, while maintaining site functionality and appearance. Adguard for Windows is more than an ad blocker. It is a multi-purpose tool that blocks ads, controls access to dangerous sites, speeds up page loading, and protects children from inappropriate content. Adguard ad blocker wipes out annoying banners, pop-ups, and video ads, protects against phishing and malicious sites, shields your data from web analytics and online trackers, and protects children from inappropriate and adult content. Adguard blocks ads on websites and removes pop-ups, banners, text ads, and video ads. It hides empty spaces after ads and keeps pages looking good. It prevents tracking by stopping websites and companies from collecting your personal data and using it against you. Adguard speeds up page loading by blocking ads and trackers even before the page loads. It works in browsers and apps, eliminating ads, trackers, and annoyances across all browsers and apps on your device. Additionally, it offers in-app customer support, allowing you to contact the helpful support team directly from the app. Adguard for Chrome is worth installing because it removes pop-up ads, banners, and video ads, protects your personal data from web trackers, alerts you about malicious and dangerous websites, and speeds up page loading by removing unnecessary elements. Here we will see its customer reviews on Trustpilot. Many users praise its effective ad blocking, privacy protection, and fast page loading. Some reviews note occasional technical issues or difficulties with certain websites, but overall, users find it reliable and easy to use. Let's talk about the pricing, pros and cons. Adguard offers a free basic version. The paid plan costs $29.88 per year for 3 devices, or a lifetime license is available for $79.99. On the positive side, Adguard provides system-wide ad and tracker blocking, malware protection, and parental controls. On the downside, a paid plan is needed for full features. It can be costly for multiple devices, and setup or licensing can be confusing. In my opinion, Adguard is legit because it has a strong reputation, millions of users, and consistently positive reviews for effective ad blocking and privacy protection. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.